MetaTrader 4 winning trading strategy. This strategy is really meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. You cannot use this on Derive platform. This is really meant for MT4 brokers and not MT5 brokers. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. In my video description, I did drop some links to some of these top regulated forex brokers. Make sure you open an account with them and do open a demo account so that you can practice your trading skill before you go live with your hard earned money. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers and try out your strategy on their demo account. I have come up with this non-repeating forex trading strategy on MetaTrader 4. This is simple strategy, and I've combined only two indicators together for this particular trading strategy. Make sure you follow me closely as I explain how you can use this profitably on MetaTrader 4 brokers. Now I have a band indicator here. This is the upper band and this is lower band. They have this indicator here, this arrow indicator that does not repaint, and the fact that it does not repaint does not make it accurate. So what I did is to combine two indicators together so that they will be able to complement each other. And this is how I use this strategy on MetaTrader 4 brokers. Now, before you take any trade, the candle must touch the upper band. If possible, breaks above it. You must have this wheel here and follow by this red arrow indicator. When you have the two indicators in agreement, then this is the best point for you to place your trade for a sell at the upper band. And as we have the first condition met here, it did touch the lower band, this white band. We have the wheel and we have the white arrow here that does not repeat. Then you can place your trade. This is a valid trade for a buy setup, and your take profits might be the lower the middle band or the upper band, and your stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low. Allow the market to breathe while you set your stop loss. And here we have a down arrow here telling us that this the direction is down, but at this particular point do not enter any trade because this arrow rather is not at the upper band. So this is invalid signal. The signal is not valid at this particular point. And at this point we have a previous arrow here, but this was not at the upper band. Here we have this at the upper band here, though it pulled back a bit, might have hit your stop loss, but it did go in our direction later. At this point we have the arrow again, we have another arrow here, and here it did deliver. And this is how to use this particular strategy. The download links to all the indicators I use for this particular winning trading strategy is in the video description. And before you place any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news concerning any pairs you want to trade. And if there's any news, make sure you stay away 30 minutes before the news and 30 minutes after from a major news. And if possible, we might stay clear away from that particular news for the day, since you have alternative pairs to trade for. This particular strategy can be used on cryptos, and it can be used on metals like gold, silver, and other metals. You can use this on indices like Nasdaq, US 30, as many indices you have on your MetaTrader 4. Just make sure you follow the simple rules. No strategy is 100% accurate, and make sure you follow money management. It is important that you do that, and do not trade without a stop loss. Money management is very important. Make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers, and this particular strategy is for MetaTrader 4 brokers, and so make sure you trade on regulated forex brokers. Again, the download link is in the video description. Make sure you download it, and in my video description I did include links to some of the regulated forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and you register with any of the brokers you like. This particular strategy can be used on any time frame you want to trade. So if you want to trade on lower time frame, make sure you check higher time frame, and you can scalp in the direction of the higher time frame on lower time frame. Here on the H1 we have the setup is on the upward move. This is the upward trend, and the only trade you are going to take is buy, and you are not going to sell on lower time frame. So let's go back to lower time frame and see what we have either on 15-minute or 5-minute time frame, and let's check 15-minute time frame to see what we do have. Now here we have it on 15-minute time frame. So the only trade you are going to take on 15-minute time frame is only buy trade, and you can demarcate it on higher time frame. Let's go back to H1. So let's demarcate where we have this setup. So this is where we have all the indicator in agreement. So let's go back to 15-minute time frame. So this is where we have the two indicators in agreement. The non-repeating arrow did confirm it here on H1. So the only trade we are going to take right now is buy, and we are not going to take this sell trade. We are not going to take this. So the previous signal was sell, and so the sell signal here are valid. So this is how to use this particular strategy, and you can use it on any time frame you want. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. You can share this video to other trading community, and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning forex trading strategy. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow forex trader Joe, and bye for now.